Good morning, students. Today we will study next exercise in fraction, that is exercise 6.4. In this exercise we have to study about comparison of fractions, how to arrange fraction in ascending order and in descending order. So very important. Now before knowing this, I will remind you that this sign is known as smaller than. This sign is known as greater than. Okay, smaller than, greater than. Where this duck point is used to, where is the smaller, and where is the mouth is known as greater than. मतलब चोंच जिस तरफ बनी होगी, जिस तरफ चोंच होगी, उस तरफ क्या, उस तरफ की लिखी डिजिट क्या होगी, छोटी होगी, और जिस तरफ मुंह खुला होगा उस तरफ की लिखी हुई डिजिट ग्रेटर मानी जाती है. तो ये साइन है, ये साइन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बहुत लोगों को इसमें क्या है, कन्फ्यूज़न बनी रहती है, तो इसको क्लियर कर लो. असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करने में ये क्या है, बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होता है. दिस इज़ नोन एज स्मॉलर दैन, दिस इज़ नोन एज ग्रेटर दैन. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल स्टडी कंपैरिजन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस. सपोज वी विल हैव टू फ्रैक्शंस 7/8 and 12/13. Okay, 7/8 and 12/13. So what we have to do, we have to compare the fractions. For comparison, what we have to do, we have to make denominator same. First rule is to make denominator same, and then try to compare, okay. Second, then try to compare, okay. So 7/8 and 8/13. So what we will do, we will take LCM of 8 and 13. So see here, 8 and 13, 2 4s are 8 and 13, 2 2s are 4, 13, 2 1s are 2, 13 and 13 1s are 13. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 8 into 13, what happens? 8 into 13, 104. Okay, 8 into 13 is 104. So LCM of 8 and 13 we will have 104. Now 7/8 and 12/13. What we will do? We will try to make them. We will try to make the denominator same. So see here, 7/8. 7/8. How we will make 104? We have to make 104 at denominator. So what we will do, we will multiply with 13 here and 13 here. So result will be 13 7s are 91 and 13 8s are 104. Now what we will use, this 12/13, and we will multiply 8 on both sides. That means on numerator and denominator. 12 8s are 96 and 13 8s are 104. Now we are seeing that in both the cases, what, denominator is now same. Now what, denominator is same. Here also 104 and here also 104. What is lacking here? What is lacking here in this? That denominator is not same. So as soon as we will make the denominator same, we will reach the answer. We will see that 91/104 and 96/104, which is greater and which is smaller. Now it is clearly seeing that 96/104 is greater than 91/104. So this is greater than this. Understand? This is greater than this means what? 91 upon 104 is actually 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 is smaller than 12 by 13 is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. So like this only we will do the comparison in the fractions. Okay. What we have to do? We have to make the denominator same. Remember one thing, we have to make the denominator same. And how do we will make denominator same? We will take LCM of the denominators. We will take LCM of the denominators and try to multiply with that number by which we get the denominator what is we have taken LCM. Understand? इस तरीके से करेंगे. ओके. टू मेक डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के लिए हम LCM लेंगे. LCM में जो वैल्यू आएगी हम ट्राई करेंगे कि दोनों ही फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर में वो वैल्यू आ जाए. जो LCM में आई है LCM लेने के बाद वैल्यू, वही डिनोमिनेटर में वैल्यू दोनों ही केस में आ जाए. तो ऐसे किसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जिसमें क्या है डिनोमिनेटर 104 दोनों में मिल जाए. जैसे ही डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाएगा हम देखेंगे कि क्या है, कोई एक तुम्हें क्लियरली दिखने लगेगा कि हाँ ये छोटा है और कोई दूसरा दिखने लगेगा कि वो क्लियरली क्या है बड़ा है. और उसके बाद उसकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू जो क्वेश्चन में लिखी हुई थी वो लिख कर हम आंसर क्लिक कर देंगे. ओके. सो दिस इज द वे ऑफ कंपैरिजन इन फ्रैक्शंस. नाउ व्हाट we have to arrange in ascending and descending order. Arrange in ascending and descending order. So see here one case of ascending order we will take. Ascending order. And question is 7 by 8 7 upon 8, 15 upon 16, 15 upon 16 and 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6. This question I have taken from exercise 6.4. So ascending order, we all know that what is ascending order? From small to large, from smaller to large, छोटे से बड़े की ओर is known as ascending order. So what we are seeing that in the cases of fractions, what is lacking? That denominator is not same. Denominator is not same. So what we have to do? We have to make same denominators in every fraction. So for doing that, what we will do? We will take LCM. We will take LCM. So LCM of 8, 16 and 6 we will take. So 8, 16 and 6. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3, 2 1s are 2 and 3, 3 is nothing. So what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So LCM will be 48. LCM is 48. Okay. LCM of 8, 16 and 6 we will have 48. We have taken LCM and we will get the answer that 48 will be the LCM. So what happens? We have to make the denominator 48. We have to make now denominator 48 in each case. So see here 7 upon 8. What we will do? We have to multiply any value with 8 so that we will get 48. So we will start trying with the numbers. So where do we get 48? 8 6 are 48. So we will multiply 6 in numerator and in denominator in both. So 7 6 are 42 and 48. Now 15 upon 16, second one, second case, 15 upon 16. Now we will try in this. 16 3s are 48, so we will multiply 3. 15 3s are 45, 16 3s are 48. Okay, now 5 upon 6, we will try 5 upon 6. What we will do? We will multiply with 8. 6 8s are 48. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. Now what we are seeing? That now denominator is same in every case. what happens now? We are seeing that denominator is same in every cases. So now what happens? We can clearly seeing that in both the case, in all the cases, which is the smallest? 40 upon 48 is the smallest. So which sign we will place for smaller? We will place this sign. And now 42 upon 48. 42 upon 48 is smaller than 45 upon 48. Okay, so this sign is very important. Okay, this is for smaller than. In ascending order we use this sign, in descending order we use greater than sign. So 40 upon 48, then 42, then 45, then 40 upon 48 is actually 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6. Okay, it is smaller than 42, that means 7 by 8. Then 15 upon 16 is the answer. Okay, by this we have arranged the question in the given fraction in ascending order. Okay, just what we need to do, we have to take LCM to arrange this, and similarly we will do descending order also. Descending order is very clear, we will do in the same way. Okay, in descending order what we will do, we will take LCM and after that we will arrange it. We will take LCM and then we will arrange. See descending order. See one question for descending order. 5 by 17, 4 by 9, 7 by 12. 5 by 17, 4 upon 9 and 7 upon 12. So here we have three fractions given in question, and what happens, we are seeing that in the same case we have to take LCM. LCM of 17, 9 and 12. So 17, 9 and 12. We will derive it 2, 17, 9, 2 6 are 12, again with 2, 17, 9, 2, 3 is 6, now with 3, 17, 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3, 3 again, 3 1 are 3, now with 17. So what happens? 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 3 is 36, 36 into 17 we will do. 36 into 17, 7 6 is 42, 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 4, 25, 1 6 is 6, 1 3 is 3, 2, 612 will be the LCM. Okay, 612 will be the LCM. Now what? Now we will try to make LCM. Try to make denominator 612. So 17, what we will do? We will try with 17. So if we don't know from by which value we will multiply to get 612, what we will do? We will divide 612 by 17. We will divide 612 by 17. We will get what number by which we will multiply? 17 3 is 51 and 17 6 is 102. Okay, so we have to multiply with 36. So here 5 6 is 30, 3 carry, 5 3 is 15 plus 3, 18 upon 612. We will get one value. Now 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9. So 4 upon 9, what happened? We will divide 612 by 9. So what happened? We will get 9 6 is 54. 54 means 72 and 9 8 is 72. Okay, so we have to multiply with 68. We have to multiply with 68. 4 8 is 32. 3 carry, 4 6 is 24 plus 3 27 upon 612. Now we will try with 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Again 612. We will divide with 12. 12 5 is 60. We will have 1. Then 12. 12 1 is 12. So with 51 we have to multiply. 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35, and here 612. So now what we have to do? We will arrange in descending order. So in descending order, what we will have first? 357 upon 612. Then it is greater than 272 upon 612. Then it is also greater than 180 upon 612. That means which value? 7 by 12 is greater than 4 by 9 is greater than 5 by 17 is the answer. Okay. So by this we will do arranging in descending order. If we have any value comes in LCM which is very big and you do not get after, by multiplying simply to 10, what we will do? We will divide. We will divide denominator with the LCM. So we will get the value by which we will have to multiply. Okay. So by this we have arranged descending order. So exercise 6.4 is, now I have explained what you have to do. You have to complete this exercise in your copy. Okay. Exercise you have to complete in your copy. Ascending order I have explained, descending order how to arrange I have explained, how to compare fractions in I have explained. So now what? Now exercise 6.4 is completed. Okay. Exercise 6.4 is now completed, and exercise 6.5 I will explain it to you all tomorrow. Today what you have to do? You have to solve this exercise in your rough copy first and then try to solve in fair copy, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay. Thank you.